Morning guys, today we have this 2021 Nissan Frontier pickup truck here. Customer just bought it. Somebody in the subdivision put a nice 2-inch dent in the left rear door. We're gonna go ahead and fix this using paintless dent repair, so stay tuned. Let's get into this. So let's break this down here. We have a dent right here. So if we look at this dent in the light, this is actually pretty straightforward. Pretty good dent to do. The dent consists from here to here. That's the total height of that dent. Now, and instead of the dent right here, something else we're gonna have to deal with, we have a little scratch right here and one directly underneath. We're gonna touch those up. We're not gonna repaint the door. We're just gonna touch them up with factory color matched touch-up paint.